Okay, so I've just wound the bobbin on, and now we're going to thread the machine. So always going around the back here, and we're just going to follow the numbers 2, 3, 4, which is just there. Okay, so following them down again, making sure we always go around the back. We're going to go around there, round 3 up here. Then we're going to make sure that's coming out at an angle. If it doesn't come out at an angle and it comes down at the bottom here, we know we've not got it in the right place. And then here we go on the threading bit itself. So we're going to go through this guide just here, or the guide, not guy. And then you've then got your needle threader. So you can just thread the needle the normal way, but you've got a needle threader on these machines, so why not use it? So making sure that the needle's at the top of its travel. I've got a little bit of wire with the barbed hook on there, and that goes through the eye of the needle. And you've got a little leg. So we're going to, I fold the thread around the leg just there. We're then going to finger it and push it around here and lift up the thread, push the thread against the needle and then lift up. That, if you hopefully can see it because the red thread has located itself underneath the hook on the threader. So now what I'm going to do is, while bringing this thread around here, I'm going to loosen my grip on my right hand so it comes through. There we go. And then we're through. Then we're going to lay that down there. And then we've then got to put your bobbin in your bobbin case. So going clockwise. Bobbin in the bobbin case and making sure we pull it into the tensions properly, clip it into place just there. There we go. And then we're then going to go into the bobbin area here. That can only go in one way. You see a little groove at the top. Give it a press and we're in. Just one quick rotation of the thread to pull all the threads up from the bottom. Sorry, one rotation of the needle. And we are, as they say, now ready to sew.